Hey Sherry Vans, Mike Sherry here. Today I'm reviewing this very clean 2019. This is a Chrysler Pacifica. It is the limited trim level, so it's going to have all the features on it. It's in a really pretty blue color exterior here, and it's been upfitted with the side entry wheelchair access here. This is a VMI North Star conversion, which is power kneel down the back, which I'll show you, and also power ramp that comes out the passenger side sliding door here. We'll just go ahead and talk about the ramp system here, and then we'll get into the rest of the van. So again, power kneel and power ramp allows for a nice gentle incline here for the ramp itself. The ramp is 30 inches wide, and it has a weight capacity of up to 1,000 pounds. Now it's an in-floor power ramp, so when it goes up, and I'll show you, it goes into the floor. And as you come into the van, you have a slip-resistant rubber flooring. You have all your tie-downs in here. I believe 59-inch interior height here. Do have the TVs on the back of both of the chairs. Now this VMI North Star conversion is set up to allow the person in the wheelchair to either sit in the passenger area or the driver area and drive. Those seats are removable. They're easy to do. You can actually see there's little wheels down there. You can literally wheel them right out and out the ramp. So they're also interchangeable. So if you want to switch from driver to passenger, maybe mid-trip, you can do that. You have your shades on the rear windows here. I like that. You have a skylight back here on the third seat area. And then if you can see this cutout here, it's got the huge panoramic sunroof here. Has your rear heat and air conditioning control. Still has a little plastic covering on it. This van is super, super clean. A lot of times we trade in these pre-owned wheelchair vans and they get quite dirty, it seems like. But this one, the customer definitely took great care of it. Got your bench seating back here for up to 3. It does have the Shore Deploy, which is an override for the ramp to allow it to go in and out in case something would happen. A nice system there that VMI does. So, all right, let's talk a little bit about the ramp here. So it's super easy to use. You can just use it right with the keyless entry. So on the keyless entry, you have your lock and unlock. You have your tailgate release, power tailgate. You have remote start, and then you have your power sliding door buttons. So when I hit the power sliding door for this side twice, notice the ramp goes in, the van is rising, and the door is shutting. And all I had to do was hit that button 2 times. So we're going to go ahead and do that again. I'm going to get it a little bit different angle here and watch the rear of the van lower, watch the door come out, and watch the ramp come out of the floor. The rear of the van is lowering and the ramp is coming out. Just simple. I like it. Easy to use. Go ahead and put it back in. Van's now rising, ramp's going in, and door is now shutting. I love it. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the rest of the van review. This being a limited, you're going to have a lot of equipment on this Chrysler Pacifica. And sorry for the little bit of sun glare, but it's a beautiful day here. Front windshield looks good. I didn't notice any major cracks or anything like that. You have front bumper up here with parking sensors, which is nice in a vehicle like this, just to know when you're parking where you're at. It has the adaptive cruise. That's what the globe up there is for. It's not a magic 8-ball, unfortunately. Does have alloy wheels. Wrapped in all-season tires. Those wheels are 20-inch wheels. 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-lock braking system. Under 9,000 miles, so plenty of life left in those tires. The ground effects here look good. On both the passenger and driver, you've got a little step to help you get up in. We come around to the rear, we have some parking sensors right here on the side, and then on the rear bumper too. That's even more handy than the front ones. As you're backing up, you're going to be able to see. Power liftgate, I just opened that up with that keyless entry that I showed you earlier. Nice clean area back here for storage. And we'll go ahead and lower down the power liftgate. This does have backup camera built in. Rear wiper and defrosting rear window. Come around to the driver's side. I always like to mention financing is available. So if you are interested in financing and getting some payments on this and want to see if you qualify and what the payments will be and have questions, all that stuff, we've made it super easy. Our internet team has designed a website, and I'm just going to put a direct link down below so you can fill out your information and they will get back with you on where you're at. So very simple. A lot of our customers take advantage of that. So power door on this side still. Then as we come in, it does have the blind spot monitoring in the mirror, which is really nice. A little glimpse inside here. We have power seats that are programmable so they remember where you left off. Full power mirror with power fold in. That's nice if you park in the garage or even on the street, Walmart parking, wherever you may be. Fold the mirrors in so no one hits them. Power windows, power locks. The seat is full power and a 4-way power lumbar, which is nice if you got a back that gets a little sore like mine. Notice the seat here, premium leather, has the perforated leather on the insert. That's because it's a vented seat and has a little wine Cabernet piping on it. Again, very clean. As we get in, only has 8,883 miles on it. No warning lights on the dash here. Automatic headlights, I might have already said that. And then over here we have hands-free connectivity. So you talk on your phone hands-free. Your cruise control and the adaptive cruise control down lower here. That's a cruise control that adjusts itself as someone slows down in front of you. It does have the 8.4-inch touchscreen radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM, has factory navigation, has 3 zones of climate control. Those 3 zones are your driver, your passenger, and your rear compartment. All can be controlled right here and all are automatic. You have heated seats up front here and vented seats. Automatic transmission in these. Radio controls, heat and air conditioning buttons. If you more like buttons and knobs instead of using the touchscreen, there's that. A slot here for your phone and a spot to plug it in to charge. And then you have your Blu-ray disc player down here, and then a couple beverage holders here. You have your VMI button that will also enact the ramp and kneel system. And then here is your buttons for your big panoramic skylight. I did pull up the history report. Score is really good. Looks like only 2 previous owners, never been in an accident. We post these on our website. Sometimes customers say, Mike, you went through that really fast. Well, at your own time, feel free to definitely check this out. Just look for that emblem there. And yeah. So yeah, if you're looking for one of these, we all know the price of these brand new. They're quite expensive. This one here, I would say, is in great shape, if not new shape. It's really, really clean. Probably one of the cleanest used wheelchair vans that I have come across in my time here. So if this is what you're looking for, I don't think you'll be disappointed. If you need any further information, feel free to call one of our sales professionals. They'll be happy to help you. And with that, I appreciate you hanging out with me, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.